All right, Jackson, this one's for you. So first of all, you need to remember that the difference between ionic and covalent. Ionic is when valence electrons are transferred, and covalent is when they are shared. So with ionic, you're going to want to draw a K and a Cl when you are given both of those options, and K only has one valence electron and Cl has 7. So you're going to draw all of those, and because it's transferred, you're going to draw an arrow showing that this valence electron is being transferred over to Cl, and then you're going to write K plus 1 because it's now going to have a charge of plus 1 because it lost an electron, so it has one more proton than it does electrons, therefore giving it a charge of plus 1 because protons have a positive charge. And then you're going to draw Cl with 8 dots, and then you're going to write minus 1. And then your predicted chemical formula is going to be KCl. So that one's that. And then Al and I is going to be like this. Al has 3 valence electrons, and I has 7 already. So you're going to need 3 I's because this has 3 valence electrons. So you're going to draw all of those valence electrons for each I. And then you're going to draw an arrow from each valence electron coming from the Al going to each I. So if you see how that works, just one of each valence electron goes to one of the I's. So now you're going to draw Al plus 1, just like I described why this one has a plus 1. It's the same thing for the... Oh, wait, no. I'm just kidding. This is plus 3 because it lost 3 valence electrons instead of just 1 like K did. And then you're going to draw 3 I's with 8 valence electrons, and then it's going to be a charge of negative 1. And then you're going to draw the other 2 I's, and they're both going to have a charge of negative 1. And they're all going to have 8 valence electrons, and then that's that. So you're going to draw ALI because to make this molecule, you're going to need 3 I's to fit the 3 valence electrons with A. Sorry, that was not in frame. So the last one is Mg and S. So Mg has 2 valence electrons and S has 6. So you're going to want to draw the 6 on the S and 2 on the Mg, and you're going to show Mg's valence electrons being transferred to S, and then you're going to draw Mg plus 2 and then the S with 8 valence electrons because they were transferred minus 2, and then it's just going to be Mgs. There you go.